So Sunday, May 4th, and Dad has been bondoing like up a storm here, and it is well above 20 degrees Celsius, and we just had a water break, but he's I think finished the bondoing for now. He's got the fan running, so my apologies if you can't hear me that well. But he's got the sander out now and he's just sanding everything down. I'm glad we could move this Muskeg Tractor out of the shop, simply because of the fact with all that dusting or sanding that he's doing, it just created more of a mess in the shop. And it's pretty windy. You can see the dust moving. Again, he's got the fan up and running to get it moving out. So can't have them working too long in this heat, so everything's got to be done in stages. Dad's young fella is on days off. One of his friends came into town, so that's fine. You know, you gotta enjoy time with friends. But yeah, this is what Dad's been busy on all morning, and it's mid-afternoon, and we're just going to keep on letting him do that. But shocking amount of Bondo that he used to fill in all the cracks and divots and whatever else. But I think it's going to look really nice once he's done. So again, this is what we believe to be a 1975 era or ish. We know it's a Bombardier Muskeg Tractor, and we had it in pieces for years, and it actually sat in the shop for years. And then we moved it out into the yard over here, and then we moved it back in here early last week. So I think it's about day 7 Dad's been working on this, and he's making good progress. We have it lifted off, we took it, unbolted it and lifted it off so that Dad can get in there. He's already had it flipped up so that Aiden can get on the inside. And I think this is the water bombers, somewhere around here. We got a huge, massive forest fire over here, which is kind of like north and west of Pasquac Cree Nation. And with the wind, it's really picked up in the last couple of days, and you can feel the heat in the air. So water bombers have been flying overhead about every 5 minutes or so. And well, we're gonna let Dad do some sanding here, and then we'll check it back in here with him later on.
Control birds.
Yeah.
Because this is getting all blind. Now we got water bombers.
Yeah, okay. Just one of the water bombers out, saving our area from destruction. Looks like they might be landing on Grace Lake for a fill-up. Another one, not even a minute behind the other one. And again, that one's going into Grace Lake as well. Oh, I got 4 happy dogs here. We're all walking down the river. We're gonna have a quick swim. There's old Charles in charge. Grace Lake for a pickup. And then they're gonna circle around and dump again on that fire that you can see over there. Fight that fire. So the fire started over there in Saskram yesterday. I think it was 10 independent fires. They had water bombers on it all day, but then it looked like it was probably in the valley, and now we've got this going on here all over the place. So I don't know if that's smoke dissipating or it's caught fire someplace else, but we got ash falling around the town, all in multiple different locations. Well, it's about 10:30 at night on Sunday, and
valley.
That's out in the valley, or the Saskram, or I understand Big Eddie's on alert for evacuation. So we'll see what the morning brings.